Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big red shutter button at the center to change speed of slow motion. Let's go up to right corner button so we get access to more options about video we can manage. We can pick also the quality here between two of them and free speeds, so you can stay on whatever you need. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.